What's up, guys? We're going to do a quick unboxing here of just some parts we got in from Hyperlite Moto. I got a new CRF250F 2023 that I found for a great price on Facebook Marketplace. And we're going to be building it out very similar to the Adventure Daily channel. Going to completely redo the suspension, add on some headlights, taillights, probably make it street legal. But for right now, we're just going to be adding on a skid plate until everything else comes in. I think Bruce is going to take a couple weeks on the suspension, and I'll be out of the country for a little bit, so those will be coming later. All right, so the easiest way for me to kind of pull this out was just to dump my bike over on the side. Put your handlebars on that dirt bike stand, and you should be able to see the bottom of the bike pretty well. That's pretty simple. 4 screws, 2 in the front, 2 on the bottom. Comes right off, and the skid plate just goes in the exact same spot. You'll reuse the same bolts, so make sure you don't lose them. We'll go ahead and fast forward the video here because I'm sure no one wants to see me struggle to find the hole. Make sure once you get the screw in, obviously you get it finger tight. That way you don't cross thread anything in here before you use a drill. After I get those in there finger tight, I'm using an impact driver. I like to put it to the lowest setting and give it just 1 or 2 ugga-duggas. You might think inch pound or foot pounds. For impact drivers and ugga-dugga, just that click at the end. It's equivalent to maybe 4 to 6 foot-pounds. We're not racing this bike. There's no need to be highly accurate with this. Then we just want to go back over with a socket wrench and make sure that they're on there nice and snug. I like to just take my fingers to the end of it, press a little bit, not over tighten it. We're not trying to snap any bolts. And that's pretty much it for the install. 4 bolts on, 4 bolts off. As you can see, it covers that linkage arm, which is nice because the old skid plate did not. Super easy install. You can pick up one of these on Hyperlite Moto for about 65 bucks.